Hey guys, I'm back. And somebody just asked me to look at Bitcoin and just give a quick take. So that's why I'm back. Now, I've been very, very consistent with my messaging on Bitcoin. I've been extremely bullish on Bitcoin for a very long time, and I still think we're in bear territory. We actually finally made it to the 18K level here. If you've watched my past commentary on Bitcoin a couple of weeks ago, these were levels that I had targeted for Bitcoin to get to, and we finally did on the 18th of June. That's like 2 months ago, almost 2 months ago. And just look at it, guys. I mean, this is really, really weak bullish structure. Yes, we've been trying to pull back, but we are seeing very strong, consistent, bearish, communication. I don't know how else to put it. So right now, what I'm thinking is, okay, so let's talk logically. If you look at the US stock market, for example, um, let me even just go to US 30 and then let me look at the higher time frame for US 30. Yes, I know in my analysis I said that US 30 was bullish, and I was targeting some levels up here. But on the weekly, monthly kind of if you just look at this run, we can tell that US 30 is not yet done dropping. So um, this is a reflection of the stock market and what we should anticipate. So yes, we may see a bit of a pullback, but there's so much going on that we should expect after this pullback. If you look at it on the weekly, monthly time frame, we are right smack at the lows of this is April. Is it April, March? Okay, so we are this is March 20 this year. So we are back at the lows of March, okay, or at the closing price of March, which is understandable. And so once we, like I said, on the lower time frame, I feel like we need to push up a bit. We will then see US 30 beginning to drop. That's basically it. And if the stock markets are looking bearish, we are in a recession globally or getting into a recession, whichever way you want to look at it. I think we're already in a recession and we're going to see a lot of craziness happening in the market, companies and stuff. Things are going to get really crazy. So yeah, if you're not saving cash money, you better. Anywho, so if this is looking still bearish to me, I mean, this is like a what percentage drop? Let me see from the highs. I don't know. Does it show? Does it about it's about 19% drop from the swing high of December 2021. But we look at it from the last swing high, it's about 16%. So we haven't even done like over 25-30%. Yeah, so that's why I'm thinking that we're bearish. And if the stock market or the indices futures markets are going to be bearish, or we expect some bearish runs, then we can expect the same for Bitcoin, right? And really, to be honest, I'm anticipating Bitcoin getting to 12K. Okay. So 12K, if you look at it on the monthly time frame, makes a whole lot of sense. Okay. If you think about it, we were in a very long accumulation phase from when the market started in 2017 until we broke out in 2020. So for 2 years, we were in this consolidation, kind of accumulating, orders for, just before the breakout to the upside. And then we were very bullish from 2020 to, I mean, the whole of 20, actually not the whole of 2020. I mean, from November 2020 to like March. Okay, so not so many months. And then we kind of played around here. Then we finally broke down. Now, yes, we are in a pullback. But look at this, guys. This is very bearish structure. Okay. And I find this being just, could be 2 months of a bullish run. Same thing happening here. So we may see price pushing up again to the 26 level, but we're not done with a bearish run. So I'm looking at us going back to 12K. So if you're still playing to buy this market right now, please hold your horses. Do that on the short term, but we are still headed down. So that's my take on BTC. And obviously, BTC is usually the lead. If we see the crash happening with BTC, the altcoins will follow, right? Yeah, so this is the opportunity to take advantage of that information, whichever way you look at it, and yeah, and enjoy. So see you soon, guys. Bye bye. I hope that was helpful.